such an iconic magazine, and we're so proud to have an Indian edition that is as good as anywhere in the world. It's one of the oldest fashion sort of volume, like documents of fashion over time. So it's really great to see India up there with all the other Vogues, and 10 years of doing really sterling fashion journalism. Very happy and proud. अब ऐसा I've not really changed anything much. इतने अच्छे इंडियन डिज़ाइनर्स हैं अब. हम एक्चुअली इंडिया में जो फैशन है मुझे बहुत एक्साइट करता है, एंड आई लाइक टू वेयर इंडियन डिज़ाइनर्स. आज भी मैं रॉ मैंगो पहनी हूँ. संजय गर्ग जो इंडियन फैब्रिक्स को रिवाइव कर रहे हैं, इसमें मुझे लगता है एक कला जो है फैशन में, जो कला है वो हमारे डिज़ाइनर्स पहचान के बाहर ला रहे हैं. तो मुझे बहुत गर्व होता है इसमें. I'd like to wish Bachchan Saab a happy, healthy, another decade of being with us, of being as wonderful and sharing his talent with us for so many decades. I wish him good health and happiness for the future. Thanks.
Yes, I've had my first very special Vogue cover that I flew all the way to South Africa and had a great experience shooting that. And it's by far my most favorite cover so far. Of course, wishing Vogue a very, very happy 10th anniversary, and it's huge. I think Vogue for all of us has been, significant in terms of style, in terms of everything that we sort of, as women, look up to. Yeah, it's all about being cool. It's all about being stylish, and I think Vogue covers also are very, very unique, and it's almost like a milestone when you reach the Vogue cover. I'm wearing Shivan and Naresh, and it's a body hugging, bodycon kind of a gown in lycra, and yeah, it fits me really well. It's got these cuts which I absolutely love. Yes, I have. I congratulated him, and I'm really, really happy and proud. I think he's a fantastic actor, and he's super talented. And the amount of hard work that he does, I'm so happy that he's getting everything that he deserves. Sorry? Yeah. Really? I have no idea about this. I'm gonna really call him up and scold him on this. How can they have Bareilly Ki Barfi celebration without Bareilly Ki Barfi? Yeah. But I'm really happy that it's gotten a great response, and everybody from the audience to the industry, everybody's really loved it. And I think it's a family entertainer, so it feels nice when it caters to the right audience. वो स्पेकुलेशन ही है सर, और कुछ नहीं है. एंड अभी इनफैक्ट आई हैव साइन अ फिल्म, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई कांट स्पीक एनीथिंग ऑन इट, and I can only say that it's a script that I've genuinely loved, and it's a character that I have never played anything close to that character, and it's going to be a look also which is going to be very different from what I've done so far. जितनी फिल्म्स के बारे में बाहर चर्चा हो रही है ना, उनमें से कोई भी नहीं है एक्चुअली. ये फिल्म है अलग, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि इसके बारे में स्पेक्यूलेशन नहीं आई है. Oh wow. He's always going to be a legend, and he's someone I'm dying to work with myself, and we all look up to. He's an inspiration, and many more years to go. Yeah, a very, very happy birthday to Mr. Bachchan. A very happy 75th birthday to Mr. Bachchan.
Hi, how are you? Meet again. I don't know, please don't stop. Please don't stop. It's just a humble beginning. There's a lot more to cover.
We met Mr. Shama Kavar also, and he also was full of praises for you.
I love him. I love him. Yes.
Manish, 10 year of both.
Did you just call, what did you call me? Raj. No. Oh.
10 year of Vogue,
Yes.
and like to see the point.
I'm very happy. I've been reading Vogue for a long time now. I think, and I'm very happy to start with this Women of the Year awards because it's. I think every day we should celebrate women, not just probably just once in a year. Every day is a Women's Day for me.
Any particular women who played an important life in
Well, my mother, yes, she has played a really, really important part in my life.
and three qualities should be of in a woman.
Three qualities. I'm nobody to judge. I think they should just be themselves. I think we should just accept them the way they are. Everything is a quality about being a woman, I think.
And success of Bareilly ki Barfi is also happening. How equally are excited for you?
I'm very happy. Bareilly has done so well. Now Newton is Touchwood doing so well, and also the official entry at the Oscars. So I'm just happy. We make films with a lot of hard work and effort and a lot of love. And when people appreciate that effort and they recognize the hard work that we put in, it always feels great.
क्या प्लान आगे का मतलब क्या स्ट्रेटेजी रहेगी आपकी?
For Oscars? Well, yeah, we'll be going to LA pretty soon, very soon, to promote our film there. And of course, we all will meet, and now we'll have to have a strategy to promote it there and to make people aware there about Newton. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I love him, and I mean, there's not enough I can go on talking. So I really love him, and I wish him all the best. Happy birthday to him. He's the best. Happy birthday, Mr. B. I love you.
हाँ जी,
10वां साल वो का आपकी कुछ शब्द आपकी बधाई हो।
मैं वो को मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी। उनके ये 10 साल हो गए हैं और हिंदुस्तान में एक फैशन मैगज़ीन का 10 साल होना बहुत बड़ी बात है। पहले तो एक आध मैगज़ीन होती थी और मेरे ख्याल से वो के आने से फैशन को एक अच्छा दर्जा मिल गया पूरे हिंदुस्तान में वो के आने से।
कमाल आपका लुक कमाल से सब लोग तारीफ कर रहे हैं। ये तो नहीं आपकी छवि दिख रही है, इसके बारे में कुछ बताएं।
ये फिल्म कर रहा हूँ मैं फ़ाने खान, तो डायरेक्टर जो है हमारे अतुल मंजरेकर साहब, उनको ऐसा लगा कि ये लुक मेरे किरदार के लिए सही रहेगी। तो मेरे ख्याल से 3 साल के बाद मैं बिना दाढ़ी के फिल्म करने वाला हूँ, सवा तीन साल के बाद। तो बड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है अदरवाइज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली मेरे को जो भी फिल्म करता हूँ उसमें थोड़ा बहुत दाढ़ी या स्टबल होता है, तो काफ़ी टाइम के बाद ये लुक है, तो उम्मीद है लोगों को पसंद आए। हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी। मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि उनके साथ मुझे काम करने का फिर दोबारा मौका मिल रहा है, क्योंकि हमने 2 फिल्मों में काम किया थी, हमारी तीसरी फिल्म है और बस मेरे ख्याल से अक्टूबर में हमारी शूटिंग शुरू हो रही है उनके साथ। तो 75 क्या, अभी 20-25 साल और काम करने वाले हों। खुशी उनके लिए कि हर रोज़ मेरे ख्याल से उनका जन्मदिन होना चाहिए। मेरे ख्याल से हम जितने मेरे लिए हर दिन उनके लिए मेरे लिए एक मुबारकबाद दिन हम सब पूरे हिंदुस्तानियों के लिए बच्चन साहब का। और ही इज़ गोइंग टू बी 75 years old एंड आई गेट अ फीलिंग कि हम लोग सब मिलकर उनका 100th बर्थडे भी सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं। मुझे अंदर से एक आवाज़ आती है। Many happy returns today, Bachchan Saab, and we all are great fans and admirer of yours, and may you live 100 years or more than 100 years.
No, I'm very very lucky that in these 10 years I've had a chance to affiliate with Vogue in my 5 years of working. बहुत अच्छा लगा है। जब शुरुआत हुई थी तो there was a cover that we got a chance to be part of, Alia, Pariniti, all of us, और हाल ही में आथिया और मैंने कवर किया है Vogue के लिए। Anayata is a very dear friend of mine, उन्हें सालों से जानता हूँ। कल उन्होंने में जब असिस्टेंट था, she was working on the film, so I've known her for many years, and the entire team of Vogue, they've been fantastic and very supportive, and of course it's the epitome of fashion, so I hope another 10 fantastic years for Vogue. नहीं, बिल्कुल ये सबसे बेस्ट इंटरव्यू रहेगा आज का। जी, एक सवाल खत्म हो गया, आइए करण का।
नमस्कार। मैं एक्चुअली मुझे याद है वोग जब लॉन्च हुआ था इंडिया में, तो मैं उस इवेंट पे था। राजस्थान में किया था उन्होंने लॉन्च। तो उसके बाद अभी 10 साल बीत चुके हैं। बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल जर्नी रहा है, फैशन वाइज, लाइफस्टाइल वाइज, कंटेंट वाइज। इट्स बीन एन अमेजिंग 10 years, ग्रेट डेकेड टू वोग। आई बिकम ऑफ इट नाउ। अभी मैं बाप बन गया हूँ ना, तो हेल्दी रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है। मेरा हेल्थ रेजिम जानना चाहेंगे आप? लोग बोर हो जाएंगे। मैं अभी इस उम्र में क्या हेल्थ का रेजिम बताना, बस खाना कम खाओ और ट्रेडमिल पे भागो।
Good evening.
It's 10th year of Vogue.
Yes.
Any word, your association?
I've been 10 years in this industry as well, so it's nice to grow up with such a prolific magazine. And I love working with Vogue, and I love the Condé Nast team, so I'm excited to be here.
Could you tell us something about your dress? Define your dress tonight.
Oh, it's just old film glamour. Green is my favorite color, so I'm excited to wear this. What? It's the official selection for Oscars. Yeah, I congratulated the team, and I congratulate everybody associated with the film.
Do you think it's fair targeting one film again and again, like Padma said as
I don't think it's the correct time to speak about that, since we are here for a fashion and glamour event. But thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Ten years of Vogue. Any words from you?
Just a big congratulations to them. 10 years of Vogue in India, and my friend Anaita here and Priya. And I think they're doing a great job, and I find it fantastic because they, though I don't deserve it, but I'm always on the cover. So I wish them all the best, and I wish them another 10, 20, 40 years. And I mean, it's not a magazine that I read to regularly, but whenever I see it, whenever I can get hold of it, I do take a look at it, and I wish them all the best.
They're starting the Vogue Awards for women. Most important women in your life would like to share.
They're all the women in my life, starting from my mother, my wife, my daughter, my sister, and all the ladies who work with me. So there's a big list here. I've been working for 30 years, so there are lots of them, 20, 30 of them, all of them. And even some who are not directly related to my work. But I think women are important, so if you have an award for them, it's I think extremely fulfilling and satisfying, not just for the women who get it, but for the men who don't and who are, like me, bystanders, who can just come and applause for them.
Can I ask one question on behalf of everyone about your film, your show, TV show is also coming, and your film? Any updates you would like to share?
What update would you like? Should I narrate the scene to you?
Show कब से आ रहा है and
I have no idea. I think 5th October है ना अपनी press conference कब है? तुझे मालूम होगा. 5 को है? When do we have TED talks?
Around October.
The press conference is when? 5th October. वो सब बताएंगे मुझको डिटेल. मुझे खुद नहीं मालूम अभी है.
काफी लोगों को आपने उसमें शामिल किया है.
तेरे पास कोई सवाल नहीं है ना पूछने को मुझसे? जब झूठ मत बोल तुम मुझे.
नहीं सर, आपके लिए तो सर संसार
कायनात. कयामत के अच्छा ठीक. बोल ना जाओ. अभी बस शूटिंग चल रही है उसकी यार. आई थिंक कटरीना has joined us. Anushka will join in a day or two, I think. And yeah, shooting is going on in various places, so it's going well.
38 days to go for your birthday.
Yeah, I'm arranging a party for you, and so please be there and enjoy yourself.
It will be the same like 38.
Yeah, I'll surprise you. I'll keep a theme party for you this time, okay?
Thank you. Mr. Bachchan's birthday, 75th.
Yeah, happy birthday to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Always an inspiration. Someone. I'm sure if I get an opportunity, would like to go and do this personally. But for whatever it is worth, Amit ji, keep on living long. Live for another 500 years, and mashallah, thank you for being born. Thank you.
Good evening.
Hi guys, I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for coming and welcome to the Vogue Women of the Year 2017 Awards. Love to you all.
Hi.
10th year of Vogue, any words from you?
First, happy birthday and happy 10th birthday to Vogue. I think Vogue एक synonymous है fashion के साथ और glamour के साथ. And I think they're just amazing. And I think all of us are just always so happy to be a part of any celebration that Vogue is doing because it's always really special.
Courage be always there so professionally.
Thank you.
Appreciate and praises.
Thank you.
And before you leave, we just wanted Mr. Bachchan का picture करवा देते हैं 75th birthday of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Any wishes और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
He is like the ultimate inspiration, the ultimate rock star, the ultimate artist, and we all love him and he inspires us every single day. And a very, very big happy birthday to Mr. Bachchan. He's just amazing and he's the best.
This is the first wish we have got of all the days. Thank you so much.
Thank you and thank you for making my day. I feel a little more alive just now. Thank you. Absolutely. Thank you.